And now let's go back to the data factory. Now let's validate the pipeline if everything is okay. Okay, all right, pipeline is good to go. Now there are some ways in which we can debug the pipeline. Either we can just click on here and it will start the debugging as soon as we click on it, or we can also add a trigger. Let's create a new trigger. Now let's rename this trigger, and this will be, let's just name it trigger. Now in triggers there are multiple types. For example, schedule, tumbling window, storage events, and custom events. And I will explain what each of these means. Schedule. Schedule is like setting an alarm clock. You tell Data Factory exactly when and how often to run your pipeline, daily, hourly, or weekly. And for the tumbling window, this is for when you want to process data in fixed time set. And it's great for scenarios where every hour or day of data must be processed completely and in order, such as hourly sensor readings. And for the storage events, this is events based trigger. Instead of waiting for a schedule, the pipeline runs automatically whenever new data appears in the storage. Now for the last, custom events. This is the most flexible trigger type. Pipelines run in response to custom events sent through Azure Event Grid. This is useful when you want pipelines to start only after specific business events occur, like a report being generated or an external system signaling that data is ready. Okay, so we will select the schedule and let's set the time. The time will be, it's 3:51. So I will set it to 3:55. All right, and okay, 3:55, and every 15 minutes, every 15 hours. Okay, so specify an end date. All right, okay, okay. Now it's saying that make sure to publish for trigger to be activated after clicking save, meaning that we have to publish the pipeline after clicking save here. I have published it. So now let's wait for the pipeline to publish. As you can see, these are the changes which will be sent to the GitHub too. Okay, so click on OK. Now if we go to the monitor, then we can see that the pipeline has triggered now. Okay, so let's click on it, and now we can see these activities has run successfully, and you can see the pipeline is a success. And now we should get an email too. Okay, so if I go to my mail, then you can see here is my here is the detail which I had given. Like I had given that I want to get name, status, ID, and time. All right, so these are the details. And now if we go to the monitor, Azure monitor, and set it to last 30 minutes, then we can see one pipeline has succeeded. And the good thing about Azure monitor is we can add a new alert rule here, or we can save to dashboard by pinning it to dashboard, or pin to Grafana, or send to workbook. Okay, now this much work is done. In the next part of this project, we will do a recap of what we have done so far and what we will be doing next.